Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to explain the most savage version of the Uno ever created. The Uno No Mercy. So guys, stick till the end because not only I'm going to explain the rules, but I will also give you some tips to survive this madness. So Uno has been here for 1970s and till now we have some more versions like Uno Flip, Uno Attack, Uno Dare, but this version is a whole different beast. So let's quickly go over the basics first. So a standard Uno deck consists of 108 cards in total, and you can play with minimum of 2 and 10 maximum players. And if you haven't played Uno before, the main objective is to get rid of all the cards in your hands as quickly as possible before everyone to win the game. And if you thought the classic Uno ruins friendships, then trust me, this will test your patience, strategy, and even your luck. So the first one is this card. This is known as a 7 swap card. So if you play this card, you can swap your entire hand, like all the cards that you have. You can swap it with another player of your choice. It can be anyone. So now, this is known as the Zero's Pass card. So if you play this card, everyone passes their deck or the card they have in their hands to the next player in the direction that you are playing. That's it. Now, this card is a skip card. So after you give this, everyone gets skipped and you can play another card after that, like this. And for the next one, we have this card. This is a reverse card. This changes or reverses the direction of play. Now for the next one, we have the standard +4 card and we have the standard +2. And here is the block card. It blocks the next player. If you give one card, it blocks the player for this round, and if you give another block, and now he skipped for 2 rounds. You give 3. Now he skipped for 3 rounds. Interesting, right? Now this is a special wild card. This is a +4 reverse wild card. What this does is it will reverse the direction, and the next player in the new direction, not the previous direction, it will get reversed in the opposite direction, and the new player in that direction will get +4. Now, the most special cards. This is the +6 wild card, and this is a +10 wild card. Now the most dangerous thing about this No Mercy game is if you give 10, the next player will pick up 10 cards, and if you have 2 10s, he will pick up 20 cards. Now 30, 40, like this. As well as this card, +6, +12, +18, and +24. Now the name of the next card is discard. Discard, yes, that's the name. What this card does is you can discard all the cards of the same color from your hand in one go. Like you can keep this. Now let's say you have a blue of 5, let's say a blue of 4. Okay, you can discard them all in one time. But if you have a green, you can do that because this discard is a blue. Now this is a wild color roulette card. What this does is the next player picks a color and then keeps drawing until they find a card of that color. That's brutal, right? So guys, that's everything you need to know about the Uno No Mercy, because now you know the rules, you know about the cards. So go play with your friends, with your family, and take care. Goodbye. And yes, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, Uno.